Hello, ho ho, test test. I guess everything works as it should. I have to set up a few things before I can start, but yeah, it should already be set up. You should be able to hear me. Let me test it if I am able to hear. And yes, hello to everyone who joined or is waiting. So, I can't see if I'm started. Oh yeah, I started, perfect. So yeah, welcome to the new stream, or today's stream. I already thought of starting at 2030, but yeah, because I accidentally wrote in the video description. Oh, I can hear myself. 1 second, 2 seconds. Thought of starting at 2030. Yeah. So now I can't hear myself anymore. Okay, so yeah, I was thinking about doing it on 2030 or 2050, 2215. Yeah, kind of on 20 different, but yeah, I finally decided to do it on 20. Oh, can I hear myself? Now I shouldn't be able to hear myself anymore. Okay, yeah. So let's start. Let's make a little poll regarding what I should cover today. Like always, I had in mind something like data science, or maybe I can do Pygame. I can work on my game, which is exclusive, exclusive for live streams. So one little poll. What do you want me to cover? The cover of a book. Yeah, it can be Matplotlib, it can be Numpy, it can be something like what else? No, not Pandas, but yeah, Pygame of course, like always. Or what also should be an option is something else. Right in the chat. Okay, so yeah. Poll has started, and while you are voting, in 10 minutes I will end the vote. I will continue with my Pygame. So what was the last thing I added? I guess it were new enemy types. And I found a little mistake. I didn't fix it because I wanna fix things when they are... Yes, when I'm in stream. But I found a little issue, which should be found in mutables standards. Here is rarity input is outside the square brackets. So here we go. And the same goes for this one. And this one. And this one. Also should maybe... If luck is less than, let's say, if luck is less than 87, let's say 92, let's see else, and yeah, let's delete this one, else pass, because it's not necessary. Okay, so any votes? Oh, voting regarding Pygame. So yeah, let's continue with Pygame now. Nothing new in the chat. Take a sip of my coffee. Really curious how long it will take or how long I will make. I don't really know. I can't make as long as yesterday. Yesterday was kind of an exception because yesterday, yeah, had the really good thing that I didn't need to work today, but tomorrow I have to work, so I can't stay that long. But yeah, 2 to 3 hours should be possible at least. And yeah. Okay, so now next step. Let me just look at the game. I wanted to make a roadmap, but I simply forgot to make one. Here we go. So this is a game at the current state. As you can see, I can hit in any direction. levels are procedural generated. And yeah, I know what I can do next. The movement, I can kind of increase the movement, because then I can have a new attribute which is called movement speed. But to ensure this, I should do something like, yeah, kind of alter the movement. So, yeah. What else? Let me see. Yeah, drop chances of the items should be increased now. Can't really tell by 100%, but yeah, before I show you too much of the game, that's not that damn interesting. Let's work a little bit on the movement. So, where's the movement? We have to move to level generator. And here I wrote something like, oh, I wrote a lot of stuff here. Kind of, yeah, cool thing to see how long the game got, because this is only one of many files and it has already 400 lines of code, so it's increased quite, yeah, over the streams. And I only did continue doing the live streams. Outside the live streams I didn't do anything, so yeah. Maybe that's the main issue, is you have to talk during live stream. Coding is a little bit more, yeah, you can't really focus that much on coding compared to if you code alone for yourself, be quiet and stuff like that. So I made some mistakes I wouldn't do when I code for myself, but yeah, the fun you have while streaming and coding at the same time makes up to that, in my opinion. Okay, so I should stop talking and now see where I can increase, yeah, player X. So first thing to do is increase this value with 1. And let's see. Yeah, now I'm much slower, so what I need to do now is I need to see if I can just do the movement while the key is, yeah, down, while I press the key. So it is doing the entire time I press the key, yeah, it will be down. You probably know what I wanna tell you. Okay, so let me see. Got already 5 likes, so thanks to everyone who liked the stream. Thank you. And yeah, so if Pygame point key left. Let's do something if while event type equals Pygame point key down. Let's see if it is that simple, because this would be really simple. Okay, now it doesn't do anything. Let's see. Event key down. Key carpet, oh. Key plus, key period. Oh, those are all the K and underscore just referring to all the different keys. But key down is more like an event, like key up is when you event point types, that maybe is the issue? No, not really. So let's see. Maybe event point key. Okay, this also won't work. But the game stops, which is kind of funny. Okay, so let's get back to normal before I mess anything up, and let me simply look up. So the while loop, yeah, screw the while loop, and let's now think, how can we fix that? Maybe something in the chat? No, nothing in the chat. I can end the poll, by the way, because yeah, I guess the decision, I have problems pronouncing it, the decision was made. Hard word to pronounce. And yeah, so how can we do it? Let me Google it. Let me do it the easy and noob way. Let me Google it. Pygame while key pressed. And yeah, because okay. Okay, so there is a solution I've simply found now, which, yeah, using different keywords. Oh, that's the spirit, because we are, you get it, because we are working with keys and yeah, keywords. It's a pun, not a good one, but yeah, I am not known for good puns. Germans are not known for good puns, so yeah, as a German I have to be kind of keep up to the cliche, and yeah, bad puns intended. Do you say something like bad puns intended? Maybe not. Okay, so let me take another sip of the coffee. I drank way too much coffee. I could rename myself to Coffee Junkie. I did already name myself Coffee Junkie on a few occasions. But yeah, coffee is like the health potions in Diablo. Okay, I'm talking too much, I guess. It's okay. Key point, if event type key pressed. Key map change, no, it was called different. Let me head back to the, where did I had it found it, why? Pygame point, key point, get pressed. I have an idea. So we should do a while loop. Elif key down. Like this maybe. And so yeah. If event key pressed. Pygame point, let me first write it down. Pygame, not player. Pygame point, event point. No, Pygame point, key point, get pressed. So this returns basically a list. And yeah. while and yeah, a list returns false if a list is empty. Let's remove the, let's try it. Oh, and it doesn't seem to work. Okay. I thought it would be way easier than it actually is. I simply want to check if a key is pressed, and then I want to move it. Yeah. So how can we check that? Let me first. Let's do something like print Pygame point key point get pressed. Huh? What is this? Okay, let me. Oh yeah, because I have to do it before I'm in the if statement. Okay. No. Ah, that's the issue. Okay. So that's it. Huh. Okay, I guess I have to change the whole thing. Keys. How can we use that? So he's checking for events. No. Oh, that's really difficult. I just want to press. Hey Whiskey, how are you? Yes, I'm doing all right. Thank you. How are you? Hope you're doing also all right. Yeah. I'm kind of getting desperate to, you know, to improve the movement system in my game. Like here, now I'm moving really slowly, which is cool, but I want to get moved while the key is pressed. And for that, I guess I have to use a whole new system, or a whole. Oh, I got something on my tongue. A whole new system. Yeah. And it's much harder or much more difficult than expected because I still have the event system, like event point key down. So I have to try something like this. Let me first try to implement it like this. Pressed keys equals Pygame point pressed. So now I have to look up for the Pygame point key up. Okay, this is if pressed keys Pygame point K up. Say it elif pressed keys. Now we simply can copy that. Let's do it like this. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, life is life. That's totally it. Life is life. Now the phrase time delta saves life. Yes, you're totally right about that. Absolutely. And yeah, strange noises outside. I don't know what people outside are doing at the moment, but yeah, as a programmer you don't even realize what's outside happening because you're always inside. Inside always equals true. Okay, now I can check my mark at bad programmers joke today. Next step is, so it is up, down, right, and left. No, not light, left. Okay, now okay, down. Okay, up. And yeah, the same goes for X. We still have to use the no collision one, but we do that later. Now we have to first check if this method will work. No, it doesn't. So yeah, we can move, but only the way we moved before. Now let's see. I'm sounding like I have my best time of my life left behind. But that's because I talked really... I had to talk much today, or I had to speak, use my voice a lot today. So that's why I sound that strange. Okay. Check for key input. Maybe the issue is here. Maybe I have to do it in the empty boss room. It's important that we don't do it with empty boss room. Play standard level. So for event, where's the event loop? Event loop, I'm looking for you. Here's the event loop, so let's try it here. Yeah. Of course we don't have a collision filter, so we're kind of sliding through it, but we can attack while doing that. But we should, before we do anything else, we should do it like that, because then now we can move in two directions. Oh, I accidentally closed it, and can attack these little blobs. And yeah, let's increase the speed by 2, because that's so freaking slow. Yeah, that's better. We still can add some speed bonus. Okay, now. Yeah, still there's much work to be done. But yeah, now the basic is set up. So, next step is, let me see. The whole process here, I don't want to throw that completely away. But at the moment we don't need it except this one. So yes. I will just do a string regarding that. So now it should still work, yes. And we have to add the collision. Or the, yeah. Hello, don't forget you can move that to normalize the vector. Yes, I implemented it while using only if conditions and not else if. If you are using them, you are able to move diagonally. And yeah, I kind of throw the old move system away, where you can only move in one direction at the same time. But enemies can't move diagonally, they will only move up and down, but that's okay. I still thought to make the whole system some kind of different, but yeah, I can use this as a blueprint for another game, which is more like a jump and run with roguelike elements. Yeah. Thought about creating that, and yeah, because jump and run with roguelike, I guess there's much to do, or much possibilities lies in combining roguelike elements with games that don't have roguelike elements, like a jump and run with procedural generated levels and maybe items that increases your abilities, but also are procedural generated, because one of the coolest thing about roguelike games is that you can find procedural items, or items that are simply generated procedural, and you can simply always get to search for even better items, and the search will go on infinitely. That's really a really cool part about procedural generation in general. And so now we need to add the no collision, so we already have it here. We need another if condition, so don't worry, I will do this here as a placeholder, but if, sorry, I didn't want to moan. Later we will put that in a new function and we'll place it above, so we don't have to add it in this function. Yeah, probably you get what I mean, hopefully. Sometimes what I'm trying to say is a little bit confusing. Okay, so let's do a new line here, so that it's easier to spot. And if player X, no, that's not the way thing I wanted to copy. meet this whole process here. Now let's get back here. Standard level, yeah, we are in the right one. And yeah, so let's see. Here's a plus, so let's do it here and here. Let's do the same with down, up. It's kind of confusing because the coordinate system is a little bit different, because you are moving, if you're increasing the y on the y-axis, you're moving down on the y-axis, and yeah, the first input is always referring to the y-axis, even if you learned in school that first comes the x-axis, then comes the y-axis, but this is kind of different in Pygame. Okay, so here we go. So K down, I guess we were at K up. Let's simply see K up. So here we go. If pressed keys equals key up, copy that here. Yeah, this is perfect. -2, -2. Now let's do the same with the x-axis. Here we go. But without the quotation marks, they are not needed. And back to key right. Yeah, we are. Oh, no, but here. Of course, it is -2. Key right. I should have done it this way all the time, but maybe I'm stupid. Okay. Don't need to copy that. So let's see if the collision now works properly. Not really. Okay. Yeah. That doesn't seem to work. The obstacles aren't that large, but yeah. Nothing we shouldn't be able to handle. I guess I know the issue. -20, +20. We have to do it like this. See. Yeah, now it works. Cool. Oh, but not for moving to the right, but for the left, I guess. Yeah, left works, right works. Okay, up doesn't work. Okay. Plus minus. -2. Maybe This has to be 2. Let's try it. Okay. See, no, we are not. Oh, here, but here it doesn't work. Here it works, okay. Here it works. But not if we are moving to the left. Where's left? Key left. Player Y minus.
Warum verkaufst du bei
Okay.
eBay und nicht woanders?
Weil es jetzt kostenlos ist.
Okay, I have to skip the ad 1 second.
Lass es los.
Let me skip the ad, then we can continue with the music. And while doing this, I'm making the sounds of a snake. While doing this, but I'm not a snake, hopefully. I don't identify as a snake because some people maybe are offended if I say I'm no, the wrong thing. Okay, that was not what I wanted to say. What I wanted to tell you is that I maybe need another coffee. Key right, key left. Minus 20. Okay, this works, but I can't move to the right. Strangely. Okay, this is really strange. Because here it works. Kind of, yeah. So what is the issue? Let me explain. The issue is simply that I can't move to the, I can't, get myself in the near of the obstacles, or as much in the near as the obstacles as wanted. So the only solution is that it has something to do with X. Let's see the negative one. You have to play a little bit. Okay, here it works. But not. Up is still a problem. So let's see up. Where's up? Here we go. I have the feeling that sometimes it works properly, like here, and sometimes it just don't. Yeah, here it works. Now it's not working on the left side. Okay, this gets even more complicated with each step. Simply want to implement no collision, but yeah. Going with the flow. Always should go with the flow. Do the flow. Not to... Is the flow flowing? Is the flowing flow? Okay. minus 20. Minus 20. Okay, this is interesting. So up works properly. Oh no, it doesn't. Minus 2. Let's try again. Can I now move to the up? Yes, now I can hit my head. So. But here again is an infinite wall. But yeah, moving up is not the issue. Yeah. Moving down also doesn't seem to be an issue. So left and right. Let's see, is the left or the right one is an issue? Okay, right one doesn't seem to be an issue. But yeah, left one. So, to the left. Oh, maybe it's just here, because here it is 20. Am I that stupid? No, I can move around this one. Now let's see if we can slide. Oh, here it won't work. Why? Let's see, up. If minus 20. No. Okay, why can I move up now? What was that? No, I'm trapped in here. What the hell was that? Doing CSS, wish me luck. Of course I do, Clashers. I do. I do. I wish you the best luck. Wish me the luck that I get the issue regarding this collision system here. Because now I kind of feel like I'm being stupid. Maybe I am. Okay. Maybe everything needs to be 2. And then let's see where the issue is. No issue, no issue. Yeah. Maybe too small for this one. Okay, no, this works. There are issues with the generated way, because yeah, you see this way I'm referring to, I can't enter this because this is generated, so the issue lies in the way or in the set that is generated after. But yeah, the procedural generated obstacles work pretty well. Yeah, they do. So the issue lies in the rectangle here. Rectangle to door, yes. Ah, because here it is still -2. Okay, let's look for some. Okay, here we can obviously see that this is a the generated one on the right side. Okay. Now how do we handle this? Maybe I've got an idea. So, collision with rectangle to door. Ah, here. I'm looking what the logic could be. So yeah, this is a generated one. This is not generated, but this should be generated, yeah. We can't move to the left. So to the left. -20 in no collision list. Let's see something which looks more like in the door rectangle. Here we go. Okay, still, this is... Oh, no collision list. I wanted to rectangle door. What was I referring to? No, I was in the white loop. No, I don't like this one. Let's see. Yeah, this looks better. No, I can't move in here even. Okay, strange. Let's see, white, so. +20. But this doesn't make any sense. Yeah, this is much easier if you have predefined movements. Ah, I guess I know the issue now. It's not because rectangle to door, it's because the way we are generating rectangle to door. So where is global rectangle to door? So where is rectangle to door? Here. Safe way. Okay, we have to get in this one. Basic functions. And... Oh, sorry. Hello, by the way, to everyone who joined. Already back to 6 viewers, which is pretty cool. Ask me anything you want. If you want anything to be covered, just write it down. I can do data science, I can do Matplotlib, Numpy, Numpy. Okay, this doesn't exist, but something again. Something like this. Just write it down in the chat and I will try anything which is not far beyond my power. Okay, so I head back to Pygame. Basic functions. Generate safe way, so say do it like this. Okay. This looks more like it should be, but yeah. Again, we can't move in it. So maybe I will do a little break, get myself a coffee. And after that, maybe I know the issue. Ah, okay. No, I still don't know the issue. Maybe. Okay, let's change this back to normal. Huh? Isn't this... oh no, here's a way. Yeah, and obviously, because there are not that much rectangles in it, it won't work like this. So what we need to ask ourselves, how can we get access to this line that is simply created just by adding some black dots or black cubes or black, the black line. Let's try that again. And let's simply see in the level. Don't need wing generate. Don't do that. Level generator, here we go. Let's see. And nothing new in the chat, okay, so K left, so let's say K down. Why is this not... Ah, okay, here this works, okay. And now I'm stuck. Ah, okay, here it works. Now we're kind of lifting our way down. So. Maybe I need another coffee. But yeah, let's wait for 5 or 6 minutes because we have got 6 viewers. And I shouldn't do a coffee break if we have so many viewers. Because having so many viewers is kind of awesome. Yeah. So key down, key right, key left. In rectangle door. I'm thinking about doing some data science, but let's get back to this one. We have to maybe work on this function. Do plus 20 and maybe I've got an idea. Let's say yd plus 1 plus I append. Yeah, maybe I have an idea to maybe fix this. Rectangle to door. So instead of append plus equals, a list for I in range 20 plus I. And now we do the same thing. This one. But now of course xd plus I. And yeah, yd. Okay, now I'm curious. Ah, okay. So, yeah, now I'm trapped, but I got in it. So this seems like a small progress. But yeah. Let's see, where's this? Here we go. Yeah, so. Oh, I'm stuck. No, this won't work. Okay. Let me... And hello to everyone who joined. Hope you're all doing fine. I'm trying to fix my game. Trying to fix my Pygame. But maybe you want data science. Let me do a little poll because now we are 7 viewers. Okay, now we are 6 viewers, but anyways, let me do a poll if I Should I switch to data science in, for example, Numpy or Matplotlib? Because there's still cool things to do with that. Yes, no. Okay, bow. I don't mean bow. I mean no. Okay, let me do the poll again. Shall I switch to Pygame? Not to Pygame, I'm so stupid. So I switch to... I really need another coffee. To Numpy or Matplotlib. Yes? No. We are against 7 people, so yeah, let me start the poll, and I guess it's time for a coffee break, even if it hurts with 7 viewers to do a coffee break. But I need my coffee. I need it now. Yes, okay, 1 vote was for yes. I still will wait. But I got 7 viewers, I can't usually. So please forgive me that I really need to do the coffee break. It's just 5 minutes, I will be immediately back. I will hurry as the wind or the light. Yeah, I will use light speed mode. You know what light speed mode means? Yeah, light speed is the highest possible speed in the universe. So nothing will exceed my speed now. But yeah, our coffee machine is pretty damn slow, so... Okay, so this little fella will entertain you while I'm getting my coffee. Write anything in the chat or vote while I am getting my coffee. Be back in 5 minutes. Okay, I will hurry as much as I can. I'm back. Yeah, so let me see what the poll. You see it's a poll. Not the poll. Not the name Paul, but the poll. Yes and no. Okay. That's a tie. I need one more. Anyone else who joined? This is, by the way, a protein shake. Oh, I'm not allowed to do that in. Okay, so anyone, hello to the one who joined recently. Can you please vote? Because we need one more vote so we can decide. I need to move that away. And that, because we are still back. And yeah, ideally it's a 5 minutes because the 5 minutes are over. I didn't know. So, yeah. And yes. So please vote. Should I do something new like Matplotlib or Numpy? I would return to Pygame anyways after that. So if we want to see some Pygame, you will it later during the stream. Obviously, and because I always return to Pygame. It's like, how can you describe it? I'm looking for the right metaphor. Maybe, okay, I don't know the right metaphor. Okay, so let me show you what I did recently in Matplotlib. For that I need to close this big tab. And yeah, Numpy for stream doesn't make sense because I was using Matplotlib, but anyways. Can you see it? I guess not, so let me open a new window. No, not that. Okay. And hello to everyone who's joined. So yeah, with that in mind, I will do some Matplotlib. Let me just add the right window. If I find it. Oh. There it is. Oh, it was just. Yeah. Okay, so I just did it wrong. So this can go away. And this one is the actual plot. So I can delete this plot and this plot. And now I can show you. This is cosinus and sinus. Let me see if you can see that. Yes, you should be able to see that. And obviously, now let me answer Paul. Obviously, the orange one should be sinus. The blue one is cosinus. Or it doesn't really matter because there's no. Let me see which is cosinus, which is sinus. Okay, the blue one started at 0 should be sinus. And yeah, I animated it with you can see the code. Oh no, the plot is hiding it. I did it with pause, simply with the pause function of Matplotlib. And yes, just np point sinus of I, and yeah, I imported Numpy for that. And not that complicated. Yeah. So. I guess we should add something which represent an x-axis. Makes it much more, yeah, enjoyable. So, let me drink something. Plt point plot. X and X. Yeah, this should do it. Oh no, because it's a X and 0. I'm sorry. This should do it. Ah, okay. Then let's say np point zeros length of X, which is 400. So yeah, can simply type 400. Yeah, now we have an x-axis. That I was plotting this thing. Yeah, animating and Matplotlib is really cool. Shouldn't be underestimated. So let me get this straight. And he's low. No, my computer is lagging a little bit. Okay, where's... Ah, there's the x-axis. Okay. Now what else can... I'm thinking about how we can animate or alter that. First of all, let's out-comment the second one, which is cosinus. Here we go. Now we only have sinus and the orange x-axis. Should be enough in that case. And yeah. Next thing I want to show is so we have the x and the y axis. Let's say something like multiplied with 1 divided by I. Yeah, this is cool. This is a cool animation. What do you think? Kind of like how it is moving. Yeah, because it gets smaller all the time. Now with more loops or with more if we do it like this, or let's do like this. Looks even better. Yeah, you can. Now you kind of understand how Sinus works. Can be pretty useful. Okay, plotting is always useful in my opinion, if you ask me. But yeah. This is maybe just an opinion, and okay. Next thing what we can cover. Let me think. Of course, if we multiply it with I, we should get, yeah, we have the kind of reversed effect. And it also can let me think of something. Oh, what's happening now? Did I? Oh yes. This shouldn't change at all. Because now we need still have the same gap. But let's do something like 0.1. Yeah. That's better. If you want me to cover anything, show you anything, just write it down in the chat. I'm really happy that I have so many viewers now. But if you want me to do anything, I'm kind of open for everything. Just write it down and I will try it. Oh, I just realized I got on my microphone. Yeah. Really stupid. So, I don't even know how long I was without a microphone. Please just write it in the chat if you realize that, but maybe you didn't realize it because, yeah, sometimes I'm so much into thinking I even stop talking and maybe you thought I was in that mode. But I accidentally forgot to turn my microphone on. Okay, so now with my microphone intact, let's even scatter more. And is that something we can... The median size, what can we out the type? Okay, so there's nothing else of parameters we can have influence on. And by the way, it hurts me to say, but I will kind of do only 2.5 hours today because I guess sleepiness is kind of winning. And I don't know, tomorrow will be maybe no stream, but the day after tomorrow I will of course do another stream immediately. And yeah, I hear myself, but maybe I will get my condition back. So scatter, Matplotlib, what can we else do? Scatter has many possibilities, like marker equals and yeah, comma is important. You know, we have these ones and they're even faster, which is kind of interesting. Now it looks something you kind of use while crafting stuff. Like an abstract figure. Yeah, I could see this. We could look at this endlessly, but after some time, even that will get boring. But it's kind of, if you zoom in, you see, it's kind of like anything else. So nothing special. And yeah, hello to the one who joined recently. We're doing Matplotlib at the moment, covering some stuff. If we want me to cover anything specific, just tell me, write it in the chat, anything like this. I'm open-minded, or I try to be open-minded. So yeah, if you want me to do anything, write it in the chat and I will try to cover it. Now let's do something like, so here we had our sinus, like this. Maybe, which is cool, this is like kind of like a clock. Maybe what we can do something with bars, because we didn't do bars today. So let's do some bars. We're all behind bars. Okay, so again, so this isn't too complicated. I can do repeats this anytime. So it's, or I can comment it out. Now let's see PLT point bar. And let's do something like, I have a cool idea. I have a cool idea. I can combine that with my image generator. Import image generator point SWOT image generator as SWOT. Now let's see, it's a SWOT image generator, but yeah, let me delete the SWOTs here. Oh, hopefully I didn't accidentally, oh no, that's good. Didn't accidentally deleted the important script. So now I can try something. Like import Matplotlib. Matplotlib as a point, pyplot as plt. And we will generate like 1600 images. So what we could do is make a global variable with global variable which is called the colors. Let's say color 1 equals and color 2. And oh, the noise in the background is a coffee machine which is kind of shutting itself down. But why am I getting sleeping while drinking even more coffee? I usually drink coffee to get less sleepy. I even drink so much coffee, can't even imagine how much coffee I drink. It's unimaginable. The amounts are unimaginable. Okay. Color 1, color 2. Now let's say and rarities. Oh no, do I need to do this? Maybe I'm thinking, no, I can do something, maybe something funnier. What are cool APIs? Do you know cool APIs? I will work with an API now, and I will get something with an API and will plot it. That's better. Coffee is weird, yes, and I'm kind of not doing anything, it doesn't do anything relevant with me. Don't even get kind of awake. even in the slightest. So, here. And people are saying they can't even sleep while drinking coffee. I can drink a cup of coffee or even 2 cups of coffees and I can go to sleep immediately. Maybe that is a sign that I drink way too much coffee. And where am I? Ah, there I am. Okay, so we have our sinus, we have our cosinus. Let's do something like a cool. What is a cool API? API. Cool APIs for free to play with. Let me see. Reading. What can we use for an API? Numbers API. This dog API. Let me use a SpaceX API. Ah, we have to use a GET request. But we don't get any relevant statistics we can plot. Okay, nothing. Open Weather API, we already worked with that. Mapbox. So there are no interesting APIs to plot. Do you know an interesting API at the moment? Maybe I'm looking at the wrong places. That's for sure. If we... wrong one. Wanted to scatter something. Oh, I accidentally generated new swords. Like this and this and this and this. Maybe I can work on the sword IP, on the sword image generator. Maybe do this. But I'm still not satisfied. That's so annoying that I'm not satisfied with the kind of the room generator in my Pygame. But let me try it out. So let's head back to main. Let's try it again. So main 1. And now if we run our program, everything is possible. So we are kind of moving the way we want. But here is the issue, we can't enter the door rectangle. So maybe let's head back to basic functions. Generate rectangles. So maybe if I want to move up, let me think. Yeah, it was easier if I was using +2 steps. Let me try it again, even though it looks freaking ugly. Like that. Maybe it... Oh, he's lagging. But no, it doesn't even work and it is lagging like hell. So I did something entirely wrong. But why is it lagging? That's not good. Shouldn't be lagging in any way. So what am I doing wrong? I like the music, this track is cool. I hope I'm still on the track of... Yeah, that's good. Okay. Let's do... Let's undo everything. Repent. And now... Let's try to... How can we now? Maybe I still need to work on another function. Maybe this one. And let me just close the game. Key down, let me look it up. Key down. No, not here. I'm in the main function. Key down. Oh. Let's see if not. Nope, no. Let's say if not, no collision. Rectangle to door. Oh, if I made a point, I want to... Yeah. Okay, now let's do that. Again here. Here and here. If again, no collision. Again, I'm hitting the wrong button on the keyboard. Okay. And it should be if not, and if not. And again. Oh, one bracket too much, so let's add a bracket here. Now please just work. Okay, tuple object. Huh? Maybe strange. This is really strange. I'm getting an exception. Don't know why I get an exception, but I get one. So why do I get an exception? Let me think. What could cause it? Maybe I need to make a rectangle out of it, like here. And like here. Like this maybe. And we're also like this. So let's try the. Okay, now it worked that way. Okay, as expected, it kind of got too far. But maybe I have an idea now. Maybe I got an idea. Let's see. First close the program. And yeah. First let me do, where do I basic functions here? Let's see, where's basic function rectangle to door? Let's say 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So now it's rather small. But now we can draw something black around it. we simply say plus 20, plus 20. And now, oh, but we get way too far with that. It's way too far. Oh, I don't have weights. I don't have collision with the walls yet. I need to implement that. Maybe I will do that tomorrow, and I will do tomorrow do a small stream, a short stream. Maybe I call it the short stream. So what was my intention? Where do we have like, not basic functions, but level generator? Door rectangles, where do we? Where do we draw black dots for the door rectangles? Obviously not here. Okay. Ah, here. Now let me see. I need a rectangle, but how do we again get the coordinates of this rectangle? Maybe wacky point X. X, wacky point Y, 2020. Okay, it has no. Maybe then wacky 0, wacky 1. Okay, now let's try. Now I'm curious. Okay. Maybe wacky 0 minus 20. And here again minus 20. Or maybe a plus 20. Let's see. Please generate something. Oh. Not really, it is plus 20, okay. Plus 20. Now let's see. Okay, this seems more like it. But we need to do far more tests. Okay, I can't get here. Oh, Okay, this is strange. Let's see. Yeah, here we have it. So this could be minus 20. Let's see. Okay, this seems to... No. It doesn't. So we're back at minus 20. No. Not even in the slightest. If we simply draw it like this. So he's a little bit to the right. Okay, so here. Okay, that's not working. I guess with that in mind, I will try it again tomorrow. And until that, I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. Hopefully see you in the stream tomorrow. Sorry I can't stream that long today, but I really need to catch some sleep. And I will think of the problem tomorrow. Maybe I know a solution tomorrow. I hope you're fine with that. So have a nice evening. And yeah, see you, hopefully. Bye bye.